Hello, Cosplay World! The file is not the most exciting tool, but it is absolutely necessary for me when I'm finishing. They're very cheap as far as tools concerned, and they last a good long amount of time. So I definitely advise you to invest in them. So I do a lot of my finishing at the end when I have already got a general shape, and I guess just before priming. So I prefer sometimes to get my details in, to carve all my patterns and extra accents in at the very end, because they tend to be smaller and more nuanced, and so it can be very easily kind of hidden or ruined by later more bulkier work. And this is exactly when I'm filing, is I'm refining a lot of my shapes, I'm finishing things, I'm smoothing stuff out, and then I guess right before I prime something, I will add small accent details, and the file is great for this. Now, even if you're just carving or smoothing out a corner or an edge, that's pretty nice, especially when you're holding something for a long period of time. We don't want sharp edges, we don't want pointy bits, and we want to smooth, even facing for when we have smoothing and facing. If you have nice sharp angles, then obviously that's what we're going to go for. But I absolutely kind of wait until the very end to add my details with the file here. They work similar to whittling tools, so if you're familiar with those, you'll be just fine here. They'll take more patience, obviously. A power tool will get things done more quickly, but I find that you have more control with hand tools. I hope this helps you. I hope you enjoy your cosplay work with files. Good times to all. Bruh! You look to me like someone who likes cosplay. Well, guess what I got? Lots of it. Check me out. Hit the sub button. Stream or two. See you around.